Understanding Active Directory, AD, Active Directory User and Computers on Server 2019. Objectives: how to install Active Directory, AD, domain joining and user logon. Create new user. Create organizational unit, OU. How to delete organizational unit, OU. Change AD password policy. Configure account lockout policy. Now I am going to install and configure Active Directory. Before installing Active Directory, we have to check the IP address of our server. Go to Network Properties. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Local LAN and select Properties. Select TCP/IP version 4, then click Properties. For Active Directory we have to do manual IP configuration. The IP address we set will be the same IP we set in DNS. Click OK. Click Close. Close Network Console. Go to Server Manager. Click Add Role and Feature. Click Next. Select Role-Based and Feature-Based Installation. Click Next. Click Next. Select Active Directory Domain Services. Click Add Feature. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Restart the destination server automatically if required. Click Yes. Click Install. Active Directory Domain Service installation in progress. It will take some time. AD role installed successfully. Click Promote this server to a domain controller. Click Add a new forest. You can give whatever name you want to the root forest. I am giving my case vinayak.local. Remember, after giving any single name, we have to keep .local or .com or .org etc. Click Next. By default, first root domain installed DNS server automatically. And I have global catalog server by default. Select forest functional level and domain functional level. Highest forest and domain function level is Windows Server 2016. Fill directory services restore mode DSRM password. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Prerequisites check. Prerequisites passed successfully. Click Install. Active Directory is installing. Active Directory is installed. Click Close. Click Close. Click Close. Server will automatically restart. After restart, log on as domain administrator. Our Active Directory is configured. We will click on Tools and you will see that many of our options related to Active Directory have come, such as Active Directory Administrative Center, Active Directory Domain and Trust, Active Directory Users and Computers, Active Directory Site and Services. Now we will check whether our Active Directory proper is configured or not. Go to Command Prompt. Type ping space domain name. Press Enter. See our domain name replies successfully. It means our Active Directory configured properly. How to join domain controller. Go to another machine. Log on as admin. Go to Network Properties. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Ethernet then select Properties. Select TCP/IP version 4 then click Properties. Click Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain the DNS server address automatically. Click Use the following IP address. Set IP address. It is different to domain IP address but class of IP address is same. 192.168.70.2. And inside DNS we will set the IP of our domain server, 192.168.70.1. Click OK, click Close. Close Network Console. Go to this PC Properties. Click on Advanced System Properties. Click on Computer Name. Click on Change. Click on Domain. Type domain name vinayak.local. Then press Enter. Type domain administrator and password. Click OK. Welcome to the vinayak.local domain. Click OK. Click OK. Click Close. Click Restart now. Our Windows 10 machine is domain joined successfully. How to create Active Directory user? Go to Server Manager. Click on Tools. Click Active Directory User and Computer. Expand domain name. Select Users. Right-click on Users and select New. Select User. Fill user first name and last name. Fill user logon name. Click Next. User must change password at next logon means whenever the user logs on the client machine, the user will get the option to change the password. User cannot change password means that the administrator has given the user by setting the password, he cannot change it, nor will he have any option to change the password. Password never expires means that the user's password will never expire in Windows. By default, the user's password expires after 30 days. And the user gets the option to password renew. Set user password. Confirm user password. Click Next. Click Finish. Our user has been created. We can also create a user through the command prompt. Go to Command Prompt. Type net space user. Type username whatever you want. Space type user password. Space/add. Press enter. The command completed successfully. It means my user is created. Type exit. And we will exit from the command prompt. Refresh the user console. See this, which we created through the user of the command. Here it is. Logon Active Directory user on client machine. Go to client machine. Click on other user. Fill username. Fill user password, then press enter. My user has logged on successfully. Right-click on desktop and select Personalize. Click on Themes. Click Desktop Item Settings. Check all desktop icons. Click OK. See our desktop icon show on desktop. How to create organizational unit. And how to delete organizational unit. Go to Server Manager. Click on Tools. Click Active Directory User and Computer. We are also open Active Directory users and computers through command. Go to Run. Type ds.msc, then press enter. Or press OK. Now we will create a new organizational unit. Right-click on domain name. Click New. Click Organizational Unit. Fill organizational unit name. Whatever you want to keep name. In my case, my organizational unit name is Accounts. Click OK. I am creating another OU. We will follow the same step as the first OU was created. This OU name is HR. Click OK. I am creating another organizational unit name is IT. Click OK. Our OU is created. Now I am moving user on organizational unit. I am creating new user under HR organizational unit. See, our user is created under HR organizational unit. Now I will create a new organizational unit and I will tell you how to delete it. I am created a test OU. Now I am going to delete this OU. Click on View. Click Advanced Feature. Right-click on Test OU and select Delete. Click Yes. Organizational unit cannot delete because it is protected accidental deletion. Right-click Test OU and select Properties. Click an object. Uncheck Protect object from accidental deletion. Click Apply. Click OK. Right-click on Test OU and select Delete. Click Yes. Look, our test OU is deleted. Click on View. Uncheck the Advanced feature. You have seen how we create an organizational unit. And how do we delete? And how to move the user in the organizational unit. How to change domain default password policy. Go to Server Manager. Click on Tools. Click Group Policy Management. We can also open Group Policy Management directly. Go to Run. Type gpmc.msc, then press Enter. Expand Forest. Expand Domain. Expand Domain Name. Right-click on Default Domain Policy. Click Edit. Expand Policies under Computer Configurations. Expand Windows Settings. Expand Security Settings. Click Account Policies. Double-click on Password Policies. This is our password policies. Now I will do some changes in it, like I will disable Complexity Password. Double-click on it. Click Disable. Click OK. Double-click Minimum Password Length. We'll make the minimum password length from 7 characters to 3 characters. Click Apply. Click OK. Close Group Policy Management Editor. Go to Run, type GP Update. Then press Enter. We use the GP Update command so that whatever policy we have changed, it gets updated. Now I am creating a new user. I am creating a new user so that I can check the password policy, whether it is implemented correctly or not. Go to Run. Type ds.msc, then press Enter. Right-click on Account OU, select New and click User. Fill user first name and last name. Fill user logon name. Click Next. Fill password. I will put here only the password of 3 characters. Click Next. Click Finish. See, our user has been created. And our password policy is working. How to configure account lockout policy. Go to Run. Type gpmc.msc, then press Enter. Open Group Policy Management. Expand Forest. Expand Domain. Expand Domain Name. Right-click on Default Domain Policy. Click Edit. Expand Policies under Computer Configurations. Expand Windows Settings. Expand Security Settings. Double-click Account Policies. Double-click Account Lockout Policy. Double-click Account Lockout Threshold. Here I will select 2. Because 0 is countable. If the user will enter the wrong password 3 times, then his user will be blocked as long as we set the time. Click Apply. By default user is blocked 30 minutes, the admin can change time increase or decrease. Click Close. Close Group Policy Management Editor. Go to Run, type GP Update. Then press Enter. Go to Client Machine. I will enter the wrong password 3 times for the Vinit user and see if the account is blocked or not. See, Vinit user is locked because I am entering 3 times wrong password. Now I am put right password of Vinit user. Vinit user not able to log on due to account lockout. How to unlock user account? Go to Server. Go to Active Directory User and Computer. Right-click on Vineet User and select Properties. Click on Account. Check on Unlock Account. Click Apply. Click OK. Go to Client Machine. Log on as Vineet User. Look, the Vineet user has been logged in. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.